When we find the proper and simple solutions to various modern-day challenges, life becomes so much easier. You might have heard the phrase, work smart, not hard, a lot of times in your life. Well, they're not wrong. Stay tuned to learn about great life hacks that can help you survive certain situations. Hi, and welcome back to The Green Therapy. Because being human requires us to adapt, and because survival is the cornerstone of our existence, this relatively short video of 10 survival life hacks can actually be very helpful to you. These survival life hacks are presented in a way that is concise and easy to understand. Be sure to stay with us until the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and support our channel so that we can continue to make more videos like this. Life hack number 1. Use cloth pellets to start a fire. It's possible that starting a fire in the bush won't be all that simple. The use of a lighter does not always result in a successful ignition. You can use fabric pellets or shreds of wool from your socks or other garments to start the fire. These can be found in most craft stores. The pellets should be placed on top of the tinder, and then the lighter should be used. When you utilize the pellets, the tinder will quickly make a spark and light when it is exposed to heat. Life hack number 2. Stuff dry foliage to stay warm. If you're cold and shivering, there is an interesting technique that you can try to get warm. You can make it by first tying the ends of your shirt or t-shirt and then stuffing it full with dry foliage, such as dried leaves, small branches, and grasses. They will prevent heat loss, and you don't have to worry about being chilly ever again. Life hack number 3. Use charred sticks to leave a trail. There is a significant chance of becoming disoriented and losing your way within the thick forest. It will be easier for you to find your way back to the trail if you leave a trail behind. Draw arrows directing you down the path with the burnt sticks. With the help of directions that have been sketched in charcoal, you will not have any trouble finding the path that should be taken. Writing notes or any other kind of sign on rocks, trees, or any other prominent location is yet another fantastic strategy for ensuring that you do not become disoriented or lost. Life hack number 4. Use a mirror to transmit distress signals. You might be able to send a message to others through dangerous situations by using fire as a medium. Signaling for assistance can be done with mirrors or any other object that is reflected. You can continue flashing light at any distant airplane, car, or boat that you see until you gain their attention. This is something you can do if you ever get stranded on islands or any remote places. Life hack number 5. Do not apply any warmth to a sprain. In the first few days following the injury, heat will make the blood flow stronger, which will result in more severe swelling. Applying cold will minimize the swelling and kill the pain. At least for the first 48 hours after the sprain, you should make an effort to utilize the injured limb as little as possible. Life hack number 6. Do not put ice directly onto the wound. There is no harm in applying ice to a bruise after it has been sustained. Yet the vast majority of people do it wrong. If you want to prevent getting a cold burn on your skin, you should put a cloth between your skin and a bag of ice. However, even using a cloth does not eliminate the possibility of being burned. Because of this, you should only apply ice to the affected area for a maximum of 20 minutes at a time before taking a rest for 90 minutes in between sessions. You should also be aware of the fact that applying ice to a wound more than 48 hours after it has occurred is worthless. Life hack number 7. Take note of exits. Remember to keep an eye out for the exits whenever you are in a crowded area. People have a tendency to want to leave through the entrance through which they entered, which can lead to congestion in the event of an emergency, such as a fire or another type of catastrophe. Life hack number 8. Create a water jug lantern. If the electricity goes out at night, you'll have to navigate in the dark. Because flashlight beams and candles don't always create enough lumens to sufficiently illuminate larger rooms, here's a method to magnify the light. Attach an LED light to a plastic milk jug and fill it with water. Use duct tape to focus an LED flashlight on the jug. Light refracted by water produces 55-watt equivalent radiance. To brighten the light, reflect it off a mirror. Life hack number 9. Get a checkup after almost drowning. Even if you feel completely, perfectly fine, you should go to the hospital if you ever come dangerously close to drowning, to the point where you throw up water or pass out. Over the course of the next few hours, your lungs have the potential to unknowingly self-fill themselves with fluid. Life hack number 10. Getting help. Try singling out specific individuals for assistance when pleading for assistance. For instance, "Help me, you in the blue shirt. I'm under assault," rather than just shouting, "Help, I'm under assault." You can use your ingenuity to come up with new survival techniques. There are so many inventive uses for everyday objects that the list of survival DIYs is virtually endless. Make the most of the items you have with you to produce something significant that is both distinctive and useful. That's it for today's video, folks. Let us know in the comments if it was helpful and if you learned something new today. Before we part ways, kindly click subscribe, hit the bell button, and like this video to support our channel. We appreciate it very much. Thanks, and see you soon on The Green Therapy.